about DSCR loans for 5 to 10 unit residential properties. Hey, a quick favor, before we dive in, if this kind of investor financing content is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe below. It really helps out the channel. Okay, this is where things get interesting, because this is a point where most investors get pushed into full-blown commercial financing. Here's what makes this different. Most DSCR content out there focuses on 1 to 4 unit rentals. Once you hit 5 units, lenders usually switch to commercial loans. Shorter terms, higher rates, and balloon. This program is different because this is a 30-year fixed DSCR loan for 5 to 10 unit multifamily properties. And the qualification is based on the property's cash flow, not your personal income. Here are the loan bases. Loan amounts go up to $3 million. You can use this for purchases, rate and term refinance, and cash out refinances. These are non-owner occupied only. You can't live in one of the units. However, there's no limit to the number of properties you can own. Let's talk about your terms and cash flow flexibility. You can choose a 30-year fixed or a 15-year fixed. Most investors choose 30-year because it creates the lowest payment and helps cash flow. There's also an interest-only option. Most investors don't obsess over rate, they care about monthly payment and cash flow. Let's talk about reserves and down payment. You'll need 6 months of reserves. That's simply 1 month of principal, interest, taxes, insurance. You'll need that 6 times. These reserves can come from cash, stocks or bonds, 401k or IRA. This is not money that you're going to have to spend. It's just proof that you have it. Now, the maximum loan to value on these is 75%, which means you need 25% down or equity. Here's what you need to know about experience, vacancies, and appraisals. You cannot be a first-time investor. You must have owned income-producing property for at least one of the last 3 years. Up to 2 vacant units are allowed, though fully leased properties are more ideal. Loans over $2 million are going to require 2 appraisals. When it comes to credit, gifts, and prepayment, here's some information. The minimum credit score is 660. However, you get better terms usually starting around 720 or over. Gift funds are allowed as long as you contribute at least 10% of the cash to close from your own funds. There is a prepayment penalty, typically 1 to 5 years. The shorter prepayment penalty, you get a higher rate. The longer prepayment penalty, you get a more favorable rate. Some states don't allow prepayment penalties at all. If you're looking to buy or refinance a 5 to 10 unit multifamily property using a DSCR, this is one of the most flexible options available. I'll drop a scheduling link below. And if you want to walk through your deal, your numbers, or your options, go ahead and book a time with me. Thanks for watching. And be sure to click that like and subscribe button below. Thank you.